Hi, my name is Bob Hubble. I'm the president of Drames Tool Manufacturing in Santee, California. And I'd like to speak to you a moment about AirVac. We've had a long relation with AirVac. And as you can see from our new facility, we've used AirVac to put in all of our airlines. We had nothing but excellent service, good support, and a lot of great ideas from Ernie and his staff. So I would recommend anyone who's looking for new air equipment to contact AirVac, and I'm sure they'll help you like they helped us. Thank you.